Hey guys, what is going on, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this one, what I will be doing is teaching you guys how you can see your Instagram Reels history and see all your Reels that you have watched or interacted with in the previous period. So let's get right to it. Now, what you want to do anything related to Reels or to seeing your history is go into your actual account, and you do that by clicking your profile picture in the bottom right, of course. Once you are here, you will see your account, everything like it's supposed to be. And what you want to do next is go to the hamburger menu or the three horizontal lines in the top right of the screen. And once you're here, you have a few, well, not a few, you have exactly one thing you should do. The few things come in the next step, but first click on your activity, and now you'll be taken to your activity page. Now, in this, you have a lot of options, such as likes. You can see which posts you've interacted with that you have liked. As you can see, here are some 4 reels that I have liked. You can see where you left a comment, where you've been tagged, sticker responses, reviews, etc., etc. You can view recently deleted or archived posts, and to actually see your detailed history if you haven't liked a video or anything, you need to actually request a information download. Go scroll straight down and you'll see download your information. Click on that. Then you will click request a download. Once the request is sent, they will give you the option to download it in up to 14 days. So in 2 weeks, your link should be ready. And keep in mind that you can only request this once a month or every 30 days. Then you will get an email saying that you have gotten your link. Click on it and you'll be taken to a page where you'll have to log in again, and then you can download your information. And that is that. You'll see all the reels you've interacted with. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you learned something new and I hope I helped, and I'll see you guys in another video.